wants this.
Cotão entre vai saindo rapidão. Vai saindo rapidão.
Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make edit like Slicx7 on Capcut. So, without wasting time, let's jump to the video. Add a clip of your favorite player is dribbling. When you find a best position of your clip, cut the clip. Now add the song. Go to beats and specify the beats. If your clip is not matched with the beats, so go to speed and make some change to your clips to fix it with the beats. After that, choose better quality because when you make your clip slower, it's make better with slow motion. Now we want to make some shakes, so go to effects and add shake. Go to adjust, speed 5, intensity 5. Go to effects and add camera shake. Range 5 and speed 5. After that, we want to make shake effects, so go to effects and add shake. Make it little. Make it 2 keyframes for the first and for the end. Go to graph and copy my graph. Copy it 1 time. Go to effects and add rebound swing. Go to adjust and change speed to 0, size 0, and intensity 25. Make it little. And for the last thing, go to effects and add vertical blur. Make it little. Go to adjust and make a keyframe and do what I do. Go to graph and copy my graph. Copy it 3 times. copy your clip because we want to reserve it. Go to animation and choose right vertical. To make white effect, first go to adjust and make a keyframe and do what I do. Go to your second clip and add the rainbow overlay. Also, you can find it from my Telegram channel, link in description. Go to blend and choose overlay. Go to opacity and put the opacity 30 or whatever you want. If you want, you can add fading on your clip. And this is the final result, guys. Thank you so much.